Hello everyone, myself Maheshwari. I am the social faculty from Cambridge Global School. Today I am going to explain about unity in diversity or many in the one. So unity in diversity, with many differences we are one. So that you are going to learn in this lesson. So a rich diversity. If you travel through India by the train, you will notice that not only changing the landscape, you are not going only to the different region, but also many different types of dresses and food. You will hear different languages. Okay, you are within India, but when you travel to the other region within India itself, you will see the different dresses, different languages. Okay, so familiar and unfamiliar, and see different scripts. Even we'll see the different scripts. Okay, like Sanskrit, Hindi, English, Arabic. Okay, even within your own region, you will often come across people from other parts of India. So in your own local place also, you will see the different kinds of people speaking in a different language, and they follow the different culture. Okay, so this India with different customs and traditions. This is India's rich diversity. So we calling is as the Indian's rich diversity. So many differences we are seeing, and it is usually the first thing that strike visitors to our India. So other people of other region, they will show the more interest towards India to visit the India. Okay, because there are many cultures, many traditions, different type of people speaking different languages, and dressing styles, food they eat, everything was more different compared to the other countries, more in India. So that is our rich diversity. So with over 1.5 billion inhabitants, 18% of the world's population, such diversity. So there is a huge population who are migrating from the different places and coming and settling. Inhabitant is nothing but the settlement or the residents of the place. Such diversity, such differences is not so surprising. In the late 20th century, the Anthropologic Survey of India. So it is an organization which conducts the surveys to get the information about the biological, cultural, and the human history. So here we can see that a massive survey is called the People of India project of 4,635 communities across all the states of the country. It counted there are the 325 languages using 25 scripts, and it also observed that many Indians may be called as migrants. So most of the people who are settled in the Indian, they are called as migrants. Migrants means nothing but the people who are coming from the other region and settling in one place. Okay, so here the migrants of the Indians means those are the people who came from the other places out of the India. So in the sense of people not living near their birthplace. So these people or the persons, they are not living in their birthplace. They migrated to some other places and other than their original community. So here you can see, while diversity is indeed beautiful, making sense of it is not so easy. So understanding this diversity is not so easy. There should be a mutual understanding between the person to person. Okay, and they should respect to the other people, like minorities who are migrated to the places, and they have to give respect to their culture, language, and all. So over a century ago, the British historian Vincent Smith wondered, however, in the face of such bewildering diversity, can history of Indian be written? The answer to the query is found in the fact that India offers unity in diversity. So he said that the India is a country which is a unity in diversity. What is meant by this unity in diversity? How shall we perceive and express this unity? How can we express this unity among the many diversities? So and to answer this question, we will explore a few dimensions of Indian life. So food for all. So here we are seeing that different people migrating from other places and coming and settling in India. But they will come with their culture, their food habits, their language. Okay, they can't leave their culture, their food habits, or their dressing style. Okay, they will carry all culture along with them. So due to that, the evolution of many languages, food habits we are seeing in the India. So here some of you will have eaten food from different regions of India. The number of different dishes and preparations you can taste in India must be in their thousands, if not lakhs. Yet certain food grains are common to almost every part of the country. Cereals such as rice, barley and wheat, millets such as pearl, millet, bajra, sorghum, jowar, finger, millet, ragi and pulses such as various kinds of diets we are seeing in the India. Thank you.